Students, in our first lecture, we learned about introduction to batteries, what are the classification of batteries, and about the construction of batteries. In our second lecture, we will learn about components and working of lead acid battery, lithium battery, along with solid state electrolyte battery. First one is lead acid battery. Lead acid batteries were first introduced in 1859 by Gaston Plante. He found out that a pair of lead dioxide electrodes in sulfuric acid can produce electricity. This invention made a significant breakthrough in the history of battery technology. The positive electrode of lead acid batteries are made of lead dioxide, whereas the negative counter electrode is made of pure lead. The electrolyte of this type of batteries is made up of sulfuric acid. Lead acid battery is most commonly used in automobiles, inverter systems, power stations because it has high voltage and is of lower cost. These batteries can provide a lot of power in a short time, the property that made them attractive in car industries for starting a car. Lead acid batteries are very inexpensive in comparison with other industrial technologies. Like any other batteries, lead acid batteries are composed of plates, separator and electrolyte. Plates of lead acid battery are of tubular, flat or spiral shapes. Flat plates are most conventional type of lead acid batteries where plates are pasted on a flat grid made up of lead. Tubular plates are another major type of battery in which positive plates are put in some cylinders or tubes. In spiral plates, the positive and negative plates are sandwiched in absorbed glass mat separators and rolled to shape the spiral and ensure better performance and stability. Separators are thin sheets of non-conducting materials which are made up of treated rubber, cellulose, PVC or polyethylene plastic and are placed between positive and negative electrodes to insulate them from each other. For an effective separator, it must possess several mechanical properties such as permeability, porosity, specific surface area, mechanical design, electrical resistance, ionic conductivity, and chemical compatibility with the electrolyte. The separator must have excellent resistance to acid and oxidation. The electrolyte of lead acid batteries are made of sulfuric acid. For different purposes, many different additives are added to the electrolyte. During the charging process, the reverse reaction converts lead sulfate on both the electrodes into sulfuric acid. Lead acid batteries formed by dipping lead oxide plate and sponge lead plate in dilute sulfuric acid. These are the reactions which take place at anode and cathode. The reaction which takes place at cathode is where PbO2 reacts with H2SO4 plus hydronium ion to produce PbSO4 plus water molecules. At anode, solid lead interact with SO4 ions to produce PbSO4 plus it releases electrons. Second battery is lithium battery. Lithium battery are most commonly used primary batteries where lithium is used as anode. Lithium batteries were first early used in 1970s in selected military applications. Nowadays, these are widely used in portable consumer electric devices and electric vehicles. Their configurations range from small coin and cylindrical cells for memory backup and portable applications to large prismatic cells for standby power in missiles. Based on the type of electrolyte and cathode material used, lithium batteries are classified into following types such as lithium manganese battery, lithium copper manganese, and many other types of batteries. Lithium manganese dioxide battery is most commonly used type of lithium cells which is used in company consumer application. It uses metallic lithium as anode and manganese dioxide as cathode. It has high specific energy and energy density. It operates at different temperature ranges. It has high charge rate, high discharge rate, minimum voltage delay, relatively low cost in comparison to other batteries. It is available in flat type and cylindrical type batteries. Manganese dioxide is the most usual material for positive electrode in lithium coin and button cells. Construction of lithium, where lithium is always used as anode. Concentrated potassium hydroxide solution is used as electrolyte in lithium manganese dioxide batteries. These requirements favor the coin design of cell over the button cell. For the same reason, lithium coin cells are normally operated at lower currents than zinc silver oxide equivalents so as to minimize the resistance drop and heating in the cell. Lithium manganese battery constitute around 80% of lithium battery around the world. During the working of battery, the following reactions take place at anode and cathode. At anode, Li gives lithium ions and produces electrons. At cathode, lithium ions accept electron and interact with MnO2 to produce LiMnO2. This is the working of lithium battery. Application of lithium battery. Lithium batteries are used in long life critical devices such as pacemaker and other implanted medical devices. These are These are used in toys, radio controlled devices, etc. These are used in watches, cameras. These also find their application in vehicles. The third type of battery is solid state electrolyte battery. It is a battery that uses both solid electrolyte and solid electrodes instead of liquid or polymer electrolyte. A few of these types of batteries have become available commercially and important power sources at normal ambient temperature for heart pacemakers, for preserving volatile computer memory, and for other low power applications requiring long shelf and service lives. The complete solid state batteries offer several advantages over those with fluid components. Solid state electrolyte batteries generally exhibit high thermal stability. They have low rate of self discharge. They show shelf life of 5 to 10 years or sometimes better shelf life. They have the ability to operate over a wide range of environmental conditions and have high energy densities. The different components of solid state electrolyte battery. In anode of the lithium batteries, the materials such as lithium, carbon, graphite, lithium aluminum, lithium silicon, lithium tin are used as negative electrodes. Cathode. For cathode, the best positive electrodes are LiCoO2, LiMnO2O4, LiNiO2. The electrolyte used in solid state electrolyte battery is lithium phosphorus oxynitride, LiPoN. For battery, for battery functioning, the solid state electrolyte requires high ionic conductivity and thermal stability. Thank you.